Hey everyone, Lee Goldstein from 10 Minute Trades. Welcome to this week's Trade of the Week. And I'm actually going to highlight two trades because we really had a great week. We started Tuesday with an excellent consumer confidence report, and then I'll show you the other one next. CB consumer confidence, obviously a very important report, has a lot to do with how the consumer feels, whether or not they're bullish or bearish on current conditions. Watch what happens. We're trading gold on the left side of the screen. Our orders are going to show up on the chart. I was also looking at micro gold on the right side because we're doing lots of reversals these days, teaching about how to do them. Our orders hit the chart. Gold shoots down, an explosion in price. Literally 3 seconds in the market, $480 profit. A beautiful consumer confidence trade. Well, let me show you the next one, which was phenomenal. Meta, or Facebook as they're now called, Meta as they're now called. Very, very important earnings report that we trade every quarter. Watch what happens. We can trust Facebook's release time. So in other words, we know when their earnings are coming out. And because we know when the earnings are coming out, we have a great setup. It's going to put our orders on the chart. Here come our orders. And then we know that usually within about 15, 20 seconds, we're going to see the Facebook earnings jolt the NQ futures. Look at that explosion in price. Facebook was right on time. When we were done with that trade in about 4 seconds, $1,225. Let me show it to you again. It was so fast. Our orders hit the chart trading the NQ futures. Here we go. Get ready. Orders are going to show up. I'm watching the actual stock price because we can also watch stock charts, but we're trading futures. Facebook earnings. They're getting ready. There they go. They come out, and in less than a second, less than a second, $1,225 profit. Let me show you the screenshot. That was an awesome trade. There's the profit, $1,225. Look at that explosion in the stock price up here. And then here was the actual NQ futures that we traded. If you make your way into the trade room, learn about appointment-based trading, you can see how one trade paid for our mastery class, which is being offered to everybody right now. It's our gigantic July extravaganza sale. Take advantage of it. One trade easily paid for the total expense of the cost of the event, of the training. You can do it. Learn how to trade by appointment, trade earnings on futures, trade news events. It's a great trading methodology that you can learn if you take our course. Lee Goldstein signing out for 10 Minute Trades. I'll see you in the trade room.